dive into the dynamic world of climate-positive supply chains, where companies are not just aiming for net zero emissions, but actively contributing to environmental restoration. Transforming traditional business models. Leading companies are redefining sustainability in supply chain management. Unilever, for example, is pioneering this shift by using 100% renewable grid electricity across 5 continents, aiming to become carbon positive by 2030. Their strategies include investing in energy efficiency programs, which have significantly reduced their energy consumption and carbon emissions per ton of production since 2008. Real-world applications and progress. Another example is IKEA, the world's largest home furnishing company, which is progressing towards a climate-positive value chain by 2030. This includes meeting science-based targets, switching to 100% renewable electricity, and committing to 100% zero-emission home deliveries by 2025. Remarkably, IKEA achieved this goal in Shanghai a year after its announcement and is deploying electric vehicles in major global cities. Innovative approaches by industry leaders. Levi Strauss Co has surpassed its initial emission reduction target, committing to a 90% reduction in greenhouse gas emissions from its facilities and a 40% reduction in its global supply chain by 2025. The company's comprehensive approach includes implementing on-site solar, purchasing green utility products, and establishing power purchase agreements, demonstrating a holistic approach to sustainability. Challenges and innovations. Attaining these ambitious goals requires overcoming challenges such as logistical complexities, technological advancements, and balancing cost with sustainability. Yet, these companies showcase that with innovation and commitment, businesses can play a pivotal role in combating climate change. These pioneering efforts by Unilever, IKEA, and Levi Strauss Co illustrate a significant shift in business practices. They're not just adapting to a sustainable future, they're actively shaping it, setting new standards for environmental responsibility in the business world.